Alright, let's get to work. Not again. Okay, so Photoshop has this issue where if it doesn't find the fonts, it automatically recommends that you replace the missing fonts with Myriad Pro Regular. Now, I've gone through the work, at least with Avenir, of installing the font. It just happens to be a different name than Avenir Lite. It's Avenir LT Lite. And Photoshop's not picking it up, and it's not letting me search for it, and so there's really nothing I can do other than say, cancel. Leave it alone, don't worry about it. If I go to type and I do replace all missing fonts, it just replaces everything with Myriad Pro, as it suggests in the opening pop-up. So I can't do that. And it's like, okay, what if we go to Creative Cloud and we do Browse Fonts from Typekit? It's like, okay, let's look for Nexa. Sorry, we couldn't find any matching fonts. Okay, how about Avenir? There's a blog post for Avenir. That's a step up. There's another blog post, but no actual fonts. So, Typekit's garbage. Gotta cancel that again. So the way I found to solve this is, as I said, I installed Avenir. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, in somewhere in the document, type out Avenir. I'm going to put it in white. Okay. I'm going to make it really big so everyone can see it. Great. There's Avenir. And I'm going to set that to 35. Light. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that layer like a bunch. It's tedious, it's annoying, but that's the name of the game with Photoshop. So I'm going to select this one and I'm going to set it to light oblique. I'm going to select this one, that one's going to be book. I'm going to select this one, book oblique. Which one was that? I don't remember. That one. This one's going to be Roman. I don't need oblique, so we're just going to do medium. And then finally, we're going to do heavy. I think that's everything I should need. So now I'm going to go to type. I'm going to go to resolve missing fonts. I've seen other guides on YouTube saying, click the find font button. I don't have a find font button. They make this as difficult as possible. Alright, so now when I click resolve, I've got all these new fonts that I've just dumped in a random spot on my document. And so Avenir Light, that's what Avenir Light is. Avenir Medium, that's Avenir Medium. Avenir Medium Oblique, I did not get. I'm going to have to go do that. Avenir Book, there's Avenue Book. I'm going to resolve those. And I'm going to duplicate another layer. Come on. Alright, I don't know where that file went. On this one we're going to go and we're going to do medium oblique, I believe is what it was. Type, resolve missing fonts, medium oblique, resolve fonts. Now you're just going to leave that there, all this annoying junk, forever. As long as you're working with the file. And when you open a new file with more missing fonts, you're going to have to do the whole thing again. Because Photoshop, as I said, why isn't this saving? As I said, Photoshop is garbage. Resolve fonts, type. Yeah, no, it's just going to forget that repeatedly. To quote the wise words of Aaron Clarey.
I know, like you, I want to find the nerd and take his toenails out with pliers. I know. I'd like to find that guy who thought this would be a great idea. This would be a great process, and we're going to make it so counterintuitive no one will ever figure it out. But you know what? Life is too short, so let it go. Say it.
Well, it's half effective.